Gurney here with Gurney.com. It's good to be back with y'all, and appreciate you taking a couple minutes to check out my video here. Training for branding yourself on the internet, getting yourself out there and getting known, and building our own list, not a list for somebody else, but branding ourselves and building our own list so that no matter what company that we're with, the blog is the hub. It's where a person would want to drive all their traffic and link everything to that and build their list right on that blog. And we need to change what we're doing a little bit, because the industry has changed. The competition is fierce nowadays. I mean, there's a new, good-looking, good-sounding, promising pre-launch, new product, new pre-launch, new opportunity launching every single day, several of them. Okay, and they all have a good pitch. The ones that have good marketers in there, they have a good storyline, they have a good pitch. So we have to differentiate ourselves. We have to give others a reason to want to work with us. So we have to improve our skills, learn how to market on the internet, learn how to brand ourselves, and learn how to teach others how to do the same thing. Okay, the internet is where it's at. If you learn how to connect with people and how to draw others to you, and there's very effective ways of doing it. I want to invite all of you to follow our blog, BrettGurney.com, and please follow our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Brett Gurney. We'll be putting together a how-to series. I'm getting started on that now. Thank you for taking the time to check us out, watch our video, and we will see you again on the next video.